We're building a home addition and expansion project here. We have completed installing all the dowels for the interior footings and the connection to existing. All the rebar has been placed accordingly, working on our way to plumbing underground, making sure all the underground is done properly and sealed and tested. We've completed the entire foundation now, double checking everything, making sure all the dimensions are correct, all the layouts are done properly. And now we're starting the pump phase of the concrete. After all the inspections are done, we're now pumping exterior footings, working our way from the exterior footings one by one, making sure that it's fully complete and basically all the voids are filled, and then working our way through interior shear walls, exterior footings, any pad footings that we have at the project. Then after all the interior footings are done, we will work our way up for the top slab portion and onto our screeding, giving us a quality foundation for the addition.